had 3 other jumps over 48. He had the top 4 jumps in the entire competition. Larson Gordon, excited for him is Coach Margaret Glover. Congratulations, Coach Glover and Carson. Get Mackenzie DeGrosso and her coach to come to the awards stand. Mackenzie DeGrosso and coach, please. H-Town Hurricanes passing off first here in the 5th and second to last section. Redline Athletics in second and Wings in third.
Let's go!
This is the H-Town Hurricanes, 51-17 on the first leg. Here we go. 49-74 for that second leg. For the H-Town Hurricanes, they are simply running away with this. They're ahead by a straightaway. With Redline Athletics second and Wings in third. Was that split for H-Town Hurricanes. And 1 lap to go. Time to beat is 20.78. Wire win for H-Town Hurricanes, 51-16 on that last leg.